In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to allow multiple people to share at once in Zoom. Whether you're hosting a collaborative workshop or facilitating a group discussion, being able to let several people share at the same time can be incredibly useful. Let's dive into the steps and make this happen effortlessly during your meetings. First, you want to go ahead and start your Zoom meeting. Once you're in the meeting room with your participants, take a moment to locate the bottom toolbar of your Zoom window. Here you'll see various options that you might be familiar with, such as mute, stop video, and more. For this task, you'll focus on the option labeled Share Screen. Right next to this button, you'll notice a small arrow, usually pointing upward. This arrow is crucial for accessing additional sharing settings. Click on this small arrow. By doing so, a menu will appear, showing you a few choices. Here you're aiming for the one that says Advanced Sharing Options. Clicking this will bring up a new window filled with various sharing settings that will give you more control over how participants can interact during your meeting. In this new window, there are a couple of settings to pay attention to. First, find the section labeled Who Can Share. This setting determines who has the capability to initiate screen sharing. You'll want to select All Participants here, unless it's already set that way. By choosing All Participants, you're allowing anyone in the meeting the ability to share their screen, making your meeting more interactive and inclusive. Next, direct your attention to the section that states how many participants can share at the same time. This will let you customize whether sharing is limited to one participant at a time or multiple ones. For scenarios where collaboration is key, select multiple participants can share simultaneously. This selection is what truly unlocks the ability for more than one person to share their screens at a given moment, making group activities and discussions flow more naturally. Now that you've adjusted these settings, you're all set to enjoy a more dynamic and engaging Zoom meeting where more voices can be seen and heard, literally. Participants can present information side by side, compare documents or presentations, and feel more part of the process overall. Remember to inform your participants they can now share simultaneously, and perhaps offer a little direction on how you'd like them to manage sharing during the meeting to keep everything organized. Also, don't forget, if you ever need to switch back to a single presenter mode, you can easily return to these settings and adjust them as necessary. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can enhance your Zoom meetings to better suit your collaborative needs, enabling a richer interaction and learning experience for everyone involved. Thank you for watching and enjoy your newly enhanced Zoom capabilities.